YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys on how to remove the RAM for your MacBook Pro. This is 2011, 2012, 2013 models. First of all, you need like a hard cardboard, and you need a T6 toolkit, torch screwdriver, and then you need like a 00 Phillips screw driver. Okay, so make sure you put your hard cardboard mat, and you just flip over your MacBook Pro. It is similar to, this is the 2011, 2012, and 2013. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the double zero Phillips screws that you need to remove. First of all, you need to unscrew all those screws. This is the back of the hinges, okay, for your screen. This is the screws, that what it look like, and it is very important that I'm going to show you guys where the location of the longer screws at. So toward the back, you have this 3 screws that towards the back. That is going to be very long screws. I'm going to flip it. So as you can see, this is toward the back of your hinge. And there are like 3 of those long screws. So it is very important that you're not going to mess it up. This is the long screw that it's going to look like, okay? Toward the left section, 2 in the middle, and then 1 on the corner right here. So this 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, once you pop that open, you're gonna see the fan, and this is where your RAM is right here. Okay, gonna show you guys a close-up so you guys won't mess it up and break the tab. Okay, in order for you guys to remove the RAM, there's a tab right here for you to pull toward outward, okay? 1 finger on each side of the thumb, and be sure to pull out, okay? And this will, the RAM will automatically flip up, and all you do is just pull towards you, okay? And make sure you know where the gold pin's at when you put it back in later on, okay? The bottom is kind of tricky, okay? There's another well, you're gonna pull it out completely. Earlier it did not pop up all the way just like this, okay, because it's been sitting there for a while. I'm going to show you guys again. Pull this out all the way out so you could pop out completely. So if it doesn't, you need to pull out one side at a time and just pull up slowly. Give a little push or pull, and once this is up, almost like a 45-degree angle, that means it is up all the way, okay? If it sit like that, you cannot pull out still, because on the side where it is still locked into it. You see how it's locked in right here on both sides, okay? right there. So that's why it still cannot pull out completely. And let's push again until it's pop up completely. So it's loose now, so you can pull out. So if your RAM is bad, then you take it out and then strap it out for a new one. And make sure you tilt it like the 45-degree angle first, and then you push slowly, one click and then another click. That's for the lower level bank. And then for the upper level bank, you just do the same thing, okay? Put in 45-degree angle or slant it a little bit. And then push down to lock it. And then here, click. Okay, and then that's it. Well, hopefully this will help you guys easier to swap out your old your memory card or the RAM, and then be sure to buy the exact same model or the same spec. This is the Samsung, and 2 GB each, so total become 4 GB. And then this is the PC3. Alright, so be sure to like this video and then give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new, and be sure to hit that bell for the notification. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any in the comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Alright, like always, peace out.